In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Gacha Life 2 bug, glitch, or error. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase what I believe is one of the most common problems in Gacha Life 2 and how to resolve it. So, if you open Gacha Life 2 and you notice that there are a bunch of animations on your character happening all at once, and overall it just seems glitched or corrupted, then there is a very quick fix to this. It seems like it is the most straightforward one, and it works for a majority of people. What you have to do is go over to the Gacha section of the game, so open it up, head over to Gacha, and in here choose Collection on the right. Once you tap on Collection, you will have to select Add Slot at the top right corner of the screen and choose the corrupted character. Now sadly, for this video, I'm not able to record the glitch happening, but the process is going to work if the glitch pops up for you. So again, all that you have to do is head over to Gacha, and you will see the Collection option. Tap on Collection and then Add Slot, as you can see here, and then choose the specific corrupted character or corrupted slot that you have. This should work for most platforms, but I've heard that the Gacha option is not on PC, so sadly that might be a limitation of this method. If it doesn't work, then you can try reloading the application, changing your characters, or deleting a specific one and then re-adding them. Sadly, it seems like this bug happens frequently and at random, so it isn't very well known, but this problem seems to go away fast if you use this particular method. And if it is still giving you trouble and you don't know what else to do, just re-download the app from its entirety. So delete the app completely and download it from the App Store or the Play Store once more. Now, before I end the video, there is something that I want to showcase. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If this or any other video that we've made helped you, consider subscribing. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality videos about Gacha Life 2 or any other game, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.